In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then click on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!